So me and Ari are ready to go to breakfast. We woke up at 6:45 and now it's breakfast time. Me and Ari are on the slope right now in the chair. Hey! It's so pretty, honestly, like it's really nice. And we see the course. Oh, there's some music. Look at this. I'm gonna bring you guys. Okay. Come on. Watch it. Watch someone else. Watch it. Dip 12. Okay. Shakala. And then Ari's about to go for her first run. Guys, Ari is 5th right now. Yeah! It was really good skiing for Ari. Really good. In the hole. Ari on deck. Ari, how was second run?
Sunny, Red Bull, and good cheering up at the start. Thanks, Lolo.
Hey,
you're welcome.
Ils sont bonnes, hein? Non, ouais, man.
Tu vas pas juste laisser du stock comme un con, tu pourras laisser.
C'est bon avec du beurre.
Laisser du
merci.
Hey!
Ben, tu vois, ouais, c'est ça.
Hi. Eating fries. They are good as hell. So call me maybe.
En résumé, c'est ça.
Yeah.
le masque avec toi. Voilà. Youple.
What'd you get?
150. Rich day.
Okay, it's workout time. How you feeling?
I'm hot.
We're sweating just a little bit. It's hot here. And it was a cardio workout, so we just had dinner. And now we're going to the grocery store because food here is not so good. And we need snacks and a dessert. Woo! Candies and chocolates. Woo-hoo. Okay, bye. On our way to get food. Whee! Okay. Oh. So many games. I want to pick one. I'm gonna pick. Okay. So that's it for my vlog. Thanks for watching. After the grocery, we went to bed quickly because we were really tired. We watched a little bit of YouTube before, but that was it. So yeah, that's it for my day.